Hello, guess what I've got? It is the December Glossybox and I am so excited. This month I have it a little bit early and I am so excited to show you what's inside. So let's open her up. Oh wow, it's a limited edition box and it's so pretty. Look at this. Just look at that, it's so pretty. I don't know what's going on in here, but it smells so good. Okay, I figured out what smells so good and it's incredible, so I'm going to save best till last. So let's dive in. So first up we have a Figs and Rouge Flawless Filter Primer. I'm pretty sure it's a full-size tube and I've just put some on my hand. It smells peachy and it feels hydrating. So I'll give that a go. Next up, oops, right way round. Next up we have some So Eco hair grips. These are really cute. I feel like I'm going to use these a lot. They've got little gold flakes in and I think they'll just be really handy for hairstyling, both when you're hairstyling and your actual hairstyle, if you want a casual look. So that is the next item and they are really cute. Okay, next up, this is by Wild Science. And this is the Juice Boost Brightening Serum. This is another full-size product, again, 15ml. There's a lot of full size going on in this box. I haven't tried this before, but I'm looking forward to giving it a whirl. Next up, we have an eyeshadow. And this is by Tease. It's called To Die For. Okay, I love this. This is my kind of colour. It's like a really pretty gold that looks perfect with a winged eyeliner. So I am here for this. I love it. And it's a handy little compact. I really like this. I'm really excited about this one. Okay, and the final item, which I am most excited about. Look what it is. It's Esper. It's their body wash in bergamot and jasmine. 75ml, so it's a really nice big tube. It smells incredible. It smells so good. It's like spa-y, but also kind of festive. Yeah, the perfect choice. I love Esper. They're one of my favourite spa brands ever. And I think this is an amazing box. So my favourite items, I think, of course, are the Esper. Here it is. Then I love these hair clips. They're so pretty and also really useful. I'm really excited about the eyeshadow. That's such a me shade and perfect for my makeup bag. And then a serum and a primer. Wait, let's get them in focus. It's always handy too. I think that's an amazing glossy box. I am so pleased. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Let me know what you think of it. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. Please do. It'd be nice to have you here for more videos. Thank you again. Have a lovely day. Bye.